Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for September 12th, 2011. First we're taking a look at the S&P 500. We have the SPY up here. 15-minute chart, you can see we're gapping down this morning. Coming into support around this 114 area, so right about here. Take a look at the daily chart on this. So we're coming into support here, previous areas, right around this 114. I think we're going to have a little bit more selling today. Could come down to this 112.50 area. We've shown some pretty strong support there before, so watch for a bounce at that 112.50 area. As we open, watch off the open of this 114. We could get a bounce and we could move up, but if we break that 114, next area is going to be that 112.50 to 112.60 area. If we break below that, next support is going to be 112, and then down until the lows of 110.15. So just some key areas to watch. Let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First up we have AFL. You can see here near the lows of 33.23. Actually I want to wait for a break below 33. That's the whole dollar support line. Going to take the short under 32.95. So wait for a break of that 33. So right about there. Going to take it short. First profit target is going to be 32.63. So right about there. Second profit target is going to be 32.31. And then I would trail the stop down into 32. Next we have AMTD. You can see support line here is right around 1360. Holding up off those lows. We're going to look for a break below support on this. Take short. Trigger is going to be 1356. So right there, look to go short. First profit target is going to be 1343. Right about there. Second profit target is going to be 1330. And then I would trail a stop down into 1320. Watch it at 13. If it does break down, could give a nice bounce off 13. If you take this short and you make some good money on it, and you're looking at a bounce off 13, I would trade a smaller position on that. Just reduce your risk. I do think that you could get a 1 to 2% bounce off 13. Now we're looking at CYH. See the support level here is right at 1760. It's right about there. Going to look to take this short under 1744. So I'm going to wait for a break of that 1750. Take it short 1744. First profit target is going to be at 1727. Second profit target is going to be at 1710. Watch it at 17 as you trail in your last stop on your small piece, and could break below 17, come into 1650 to 1665. So just watch it down this area. Next we have DNR holding up off the support level here around 1394. There's a little bit of previous support here around the 1370 area, so we're going to look to take this short under 1368. So right there. So wait for it to break below this level. Take it short. First profit target is going to be 1355. Second profit target is going to be 1342. And then I would trail the stop into 1320 and then possibly 13. Should find some support between 1320 and 13. Next we have FISV. Coming down into 51.15 area support, breaking the previous 51.50. We're in that tight range. Going to take it short under 50.94. Right about there, take it short. First profit target is going to be 50.44. Second profit target is going to be at 50. It's a little bit early on the second profit target, but 50 should find some pretty solid support. If we do break 50, trail your stop down and we could see 49. Next up we have GG. Resistance level is 56.33. So right about there. We're going to look to take this long over 56.43. Let's take it long. First profit target is going to be 56.99, so just under 57. Take half off. Move up your stop at that point to break even on your second half. Next target is going to be 57.56. Right there. And then I would trail a stop into 58. Watch it at 58 and then possibly 59. Now we're looking at ORLY. Resistance levels right around this 68.50 mark. I'm going to look to take this long over 68.55. So right about there. First profit target is going to be 69.13. Now watch it at 69. If it starts to fail 69, go ahead and take your profit a little bit early. You're only going to be about 12-13 cents early. Move up your stop at that point. And then see if you can push back up and break through that resistance. But it could hit 69 first before hitting your target. Next profit target is going to be 69.82. and then trail the stop. Watch it at 70. Should find some pretty good resistance at 70. If it breaks through, it could hit up to 71. And our last trade is ULTA. Had the strong day up on Friday's session. End up closing and holding near the highs of the day, right around the 68.70 area right there. We're going to look to take this long on a continuation. We're going to actually wait for this to break 69.08. So right about there, take it long. First profit target is going to be 69.77. So right there. Second profit target is going to be 70.46. Now watch it at 70. Could have some pretty good resistance at that 70 mark. You might want to take a little bit off early at 70 and then leave a smaller piece to push through 70 and come up into 70.46. Next resistance is going to be 71. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.